Welcome to our farmyard adventure. Are you ready to meet some amazing farmyard friends today? Let's go on and meet the friendly animals that call the farm their home. Who do you want to meet first? First up, we have Daisy the cow. She's big and gentle, and she gives us delicious milk. Who is that on Daisy's back? Oh, that's just Henny and her chicken friends. They lay yummy eggs for us to eat together. Do you like to eat eggs for breakfast? Say hello to Sean and his woolly pals. It's fun to count sheep when you are trying to fall asleep. And here we have Percy, our piggy pal. He loves rolling in the mud and snacking on delicious treats. Quack, quack. This duck is ready for a splashy adventure. Do you like to play in the water when it's hot outside? Last but not least, we have Harry, my best horse friend. He loves galloping around the fields and giving us rides. Wow, weren't those farmyard friends amazing? They're all so special and unique. Well, it's time to say goodbye to our farmyard friends for now. But don't worry, we'll visit them again soon for more fun adventures. Thanks for joining us on our farmyard adventure. See you next time, little friends. Bye-bye.